Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Klaviyo for e-commerce marketing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Klaviyo for your e-commerce marketing, first, visit the Klaviyo website. Once there, look for the sign up or get started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, check the box to agree to Klaviyo's terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Next, you will receive a verification email from Klaviyo. Open your email inbox and find the verification email. Click on the verification link inside that email to confirm your account. Now, you will be directed back to the Klaviyo website. Once there, complete your account setup by providing your business details. Enter your business name, address, and website URL. After entering the required information, click Continue. You will then be asked to provide additional information about your e-commerce platform. Select the platform you are using, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or another. Follow the prompts to integrate Klaviyo with your selected platform. Once integrated, you will be taken to your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you can explore various features, such as email campaigns and list management. Start by creating your first email list by clicking on the Lists and Segments tab. Then, click on Create List. Name your list according to your marketing strategy, then click Create List again. You can either manually enter email addresses or import them from your e-commerce platform. After your list is set up, it's time to create your first email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab, then select Create Campaign. Choose between a single email or a series, and follow the prompts to design your email. Once you are satisfied with your email, choose your recipient list. Select the list you previously created and proceed to schedule or send your campaign. Finally, monitor your campaign's performance in the Analytics section of your dashboard. You will be able to track open rates, click rates, and other key metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.